Goa is already established as a place where, because of the IFI, we are in the film scene. Now what is required, I think, is the support to the new players, new guys who are coming in. They say that good films are being produced in Goa, Zuze being the latest. So I think new blood has to come in when it comes to policies in filmmaking. And we have to look forward to having a film city here. I think broadly, this is where the government's focus should be. We have to grow, we have to get in new blood, we have to see to it that the talent that we have gets enough exposure. There is a constant complaint of Konkani film producers that, the prime time is not given by the Inox here in the south of Goa. Incidentally, our party holds control over both these municipalities. If the government cannot put this in place, then we'll put it in place the other way. But Goan films, especially the Konkani films, have to get prime time.
सबको तेज भगाए बसती है सबके ख्याल